Let us move to next part, that is, but merely making law is not enough. We are having many laws at home what our parents given or in schools, but if you are just making the law it won't be effective. What we want to do, we want to implement it. The government had to ensure that these laws are implemented. Law making by legislature and implementing by executives. This means that the law must be enforced. The law making and making the implementation of that one and make sure that it is working properly or not. Enforcement become even more important when the law seek to protect the weak from the strong. And in the marketplace, when we are thinking, we can see many weak people and few strong people. Well, if we are thinking about the example of Himachal Pradesh, and there are some apple production and like that, before there was many middle person from their own states, and there was, for example, they was collecting by 20 rupees the apple per kg they was collecting by 20 rupees. Then what happened, this what we can say, Reliance or Adani group came that time. They started to collect by 22 rupees. Only 2 rupees extra they given and they started to collect. So everyone, the common farmers, what they thought, they are going to get per kg 2 rupees extra. If they are having 100 kg or 1000 kg, how much they will get extra, like that they thought. That's why what they done, what they was giving to the small farmer, they stopped, and instead of that they started to give to this Adani group or Reliance group. Then later what happened, all the middle person who was helping the farmers to take their things to the market, they stopped that work and they went away from the community in search of other work. Then now what happened, Adani and Reliance understood that there is no other person to collect the product. Nobody is not there to collect the product. So what they done, they reduced the price per kg to 6 rupees per kg, 6 rupees per kg, and now this Adani group or Reliance group is collecting by 6 rupees per kg from that area apple, and they are giving to us 120 rupees. Before, the middle person was collecting by 20 rupees and we was getting by 60-70 rupees. Now Reliance and Adani, they are collecting by 6 rupees and they are giving to us by 120 rupees. This is the problem now the farmers are facing. So the lawmaking, it can do very faster, and implementing and enforcing, that should happen properly. Then for instance, to ensure that every worker gets fair wages, or the government has no regularly inspect the work sites and punish those who violate the law. So the government, what they want to do, they want to make the laws, at the same time it is working properly, or evaluation should happen. So if the workers are not getting proper salary, or the sites, they are not giving proper or good situation to or condition to work, or if they are violating the laws about the ventilation, light, like that, many laws are there related to factories or workplace. If they are violating, what we government should do, government should punish them. Then when the workers are poor or powerless, the fear of losing their future earning or facing a reappraisal often forces them to accept low wages. So what is happening, the poor people, they are thinking about we may lose our job, or they are thinking about the future earning. If they are not getting job for 2 days, it is difficult for them. So what they will do, they are getting the force to accept the job with low wage. For example, now in the pandemic situation, if you are thinking in the textile area, many people, they become workless. Those who was working in Chennai in different area, they came back to their own villages. So the employer is getting the maximum people to get they are coming with a readiness to work. So what they will do, they will reduce the wage and those who are ready to come to company by the least wage, that only the company people will select, and others will become poor again. Because of that situation, what they are thinking, they are thinking like that, no need to say anything, or want to, we should not bargain for our fair wage, like that they are thinking. In such cases, it is crucial that laws are enforced. So without giving any case like that, the particular factory or the any work they want to complete it, or giving should give the proper wages and all. Though making, enforcing and upholding these laws, that is the duty of the Supreme Court or the courts that we have studied already. Making laws, enforcing laws, upholding laws. The government can control the activities of the individual or private companies so as to ensure social justice. Government, what they want to do, they want to control the activities of whom, of the individuals, in which area, especially in the private companies, for what, to ensure social justice. So social government should ensure the social justice. Many of the these laws have their base in the fundamental rights guarantees by the Indian Constitution. So what all laws we are discussed in that table, everything having a relation with our fundamental rights, what is guaranteed by our Indian Constitution. So how many fundamental rights are there? 6 fundamental rights are there, or 6 rights we are explaining. We can see many smaller or minor fundamental rights for each and every person. For instance, the right against exploitation says that no one can be forced to work for a low wages and or under a bondage. So the rights against exploitation, it is giving the right to each and every people. We should the officers or the employer should not, or the company should not force anybody to work with less wage, at the same time not under the bondage, should not make anybody as a slave. Similarly, the Constitution lays down no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mines or engage in any other hazardous employment. Very clearly, when parents are saying some job, we should not say like that under 14 years should not work. Where we should not work? We should not work any factory or in any mines or in the area where having the many difficulties or hazardous. Like that situation, we should not compel the child. Instead of that, what we should do, we should send them for their education purpose, that we can say in other words like that, human resource development, that we have seen in geography last lesson little bit when we said about the population studies. Okay, then last paragraph, how are these laws played out in practice, and to what extent do they address the concerns of the social justice? These are some of the questions that that this chapter will now go on to explore. So in this lesson, what we are going to think, we are going to explore some of the laws made by the government in the sake of producer or consumer or a worker, like that. So today's homework, it is find out the new policies, 2019-20 policies for the workers, for the employer, for the what we can say consumer. So all 3 groups, what all rights we got, or what are the laws made by the central government or state government to protect the consumer, to protect the worker, that you want to find out. That is your homework. So next part of the lesson we will study next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.